This TrueSpec heat press just saved my butt. I had a customer who wanted a screen printed puff transfer on the front and back of their shirts. No big deal, right? Well, that's what I thought. Until I had pressed the fronts of all 40 t-shirts and I was just about to start pressing the backs. And that's when it hit me, you can't double press screen printed puff transfers. But before we go deeper, please be sure to like this video and subscribe to the Heat Press Nation YouTube channel for fresh heat press content in your feed every week. Okay, let me explain. On a shirt being pressed with more forgiving transfers like heat transfer vinyl or direct to film, double pressing really isn't an issue. You toss the whole shirt on the press, you press the front, flip it over, and press the back. Doing it like this technically gets the first side pressed twice, but other transfers like screen printed puff or sublimation are a lot more sensitive to the extra press time, so the side that gets double pressed might have print quality issues. And if you offer jersey customization, you really want to avoid pressing anything that's already been printed or sewn onto the front. And this is where it's really helpful to have a heat press with a splitter. Let me show you how a splitter works using the HPN TrueSpec heat press as an example. Now, if you look at the side profile under the lower platen, you can see that there's a gap that extends into the base of the machine. Instead of placing the whole shirt on top of the platen actually goes inside of the t-shirt. To load a garment, you hold the bottom hem open and you pull the shirt over the lower platen, so one side of the shirt is resting on top, while the other side goes under and slides into that gap. And now you could press just one side, leaving the other side undisturbed. Using a splitter does require that you load your garments upside down, so it might take a little bit of getting used to, especially if you're accustomed to loading the whole shirt on the press right side up. But with a little practice, you'll be a pro in no time. The ability to split a t-shirt is a premium feature found on select heat presses like the HPN TrueSpec. But you can also add this feature to any Signature Series clamshell heat press with our Signature Series splitter stand. This accessory attaches to the base of your heat press, raising the lower platen and adding that necessary gap to split your t-shirts. At Heat Press Nation, we have the largest selection of professional heat presses in the USA, including our machines with built-in and optional splitters. We're also proud to have one of the best customer service ratings in the industry. Enjoy the HPN experience today at heatpressnation.com.